Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna go over the processes in Linux and how you can display them and find out details about them. Basically, processes in Linux are programs running. They can run in a background or foreground, and they can be run by the system or by a user like yourself and myself. So let's go through two or three commands, I think, and we'll see how they work. So the first command is the ps command. I'm gonna type it now. PS command. Basically, it's process status, abbreviation for process status. It's a command where once you hit enter, you're gonna get some processes running in the system. Now it says bash. It gives you the process ID, the terminal. It'll give you the time and the command. So I'm running now bash shell. This is the terminal here. This is bash shell. And the PS, the one I just entered now. Now PS, you can get some details about it, like you can add switches or options like A. It'll give you more options. You can add U, switch U, it'll give you more details. And you can also add X, it will give you more details, much more details. And in case you wanna add the three options, you can do that. PS dash A UX. So these are three options combined. So it gives you more details, I think, or is it the same one as the X? But that's how you use the. So this is a very detailed overview, but this is the username on the side. But I cannot see the header to see each one. But you can tell, like, this is the username. Yeah, I cannot tell which is which. There's a better command now. I can run it after this one. So let's clear. So basically, this is the. This is not a very detailed and clear pictures about the processes. The best command is the top, TOP. So this will give you more detailed and more organized information about the processes running in a system. And it's gonna be in real time. This is what's good about it. So if you hit top, so it can give you, you have like a header here where you can read what's the column, the information. And looking at the top here, it'll give you a lot of details about the system, the running of processes, the resources used, the free. You can go through each one of those and find out, look at it, and you can tell what is it about. Some of them I cannot figure out what they are, like the 1.7 SY, the 18.NI. I don't know what are these, but you can find out about them, like maybe if you run the man command or looking online on the internet. But you can tell some of them are readable, like this one is the percentage of the CPU usage, and it'll give you a number here. It's changing. Then you have the memory here. The memory can be in megabyte, like now it's a megabyte. It can be in kilobyte too sometimes. And it's giving you the memory, the total memory, and it's giving you the swap memory, and that's the total here. That's the free ones, and that's what's used. So basically, you can tell where you have resources left in the memory. And what I like those columns here and the header, and they're very clear, and you can tell once you read them. So PID is the process ID. It's a number here. User, whoever is running the process, like this is myself here. This is my username. The root is run by the system, and I don't know what's PR and I. I'm gonna assume VIR is virtual. RES I don't know what it is, but the main ones that will you should be interested in and will help you about the system, what's going on in the system. It's the percentage of CPU and percentage of memory. Those are very important here. They'll give you what program or command, what's the consumption of each program running, about, you know, how much is it using CPU power and how much memory it's using, the percentage. So if you look on and then it'll give you the time, how long it's been running, and then it will give you the command, like the name of the program. So this is very important whenever you have resources diminishing and your system is being sluggish and slow to respond and stuff like that. You know, you can look at these and see what's consuming the memory and the CPU, what's the biggest program, and you can stop the program, or at least you can increase your memory, you can upgrade your system. But this is very important here. So that's it for, I think there's one command, I think the htop, I don't know. So this is in real time. Again, I think I mentioned it's in real time. And if you want to stop it, or if you want to interrupt it, you can hit the Control C, and the control will go back to the command prompt. And let's clear the screen. There is another command. It's the htop. This is a new version, I think, from the top. And if you enter it, actually it's not installed. You can follow these instruction here to install it if you like, but I know I've run it before and I know how it looks like. It's more organized, but it doesn't give you the detailed information like the top. I prefer the top, the one I just ran before. But if you wanna try the htop, you can install. I think it's a new version of the top, but it has less information. I prefer the top, so you can install it by following those commands here. So again, this video was about the processes in Linux and how to extract the information from the system, how to retrieve the information from the system, and get some details about the processes in real time, and by running top, or in not in real time, like a simple list if you use the PS process status. But I don't use PS much, I prefer the top. So that's it, guys, for this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. You can submit your questions in the Linux command for beginners group on Facebook, or you can, if you are a subscriber to my email, you can reply with a question. And this is my email here if you want to send me an email, in the lower screen here, the bottom of the screen. And if you want to join my list, you can join by going to this link, georgekc.com/freeguide.html. The page is not very neat, you may not like it, but I'm gonna have to fix it. But you can still enter your name and your email, and you can get some information. You can join the list. So this way you'll stay updated with the whenever a video comes up or a tutorial. And if you have any question, you can reply to my email, to this one. And that's it for this video. I want to thank you very much for your time and for spending your time with me. Thank you.